What do you?
Oh, hey, Poof Poof. You want a little treat? Another little treat for you? You don't want any more treats. Aren't you a big brave fella? Huh? You're the little bunny. Ooh. Oh, you guys are spraying. Is that you? Did you spray because I opened the door? Could very well be. Oh, ho, ho. Theft in broad daylight. He's walked over and stole a marshmallow. See if that other guy down there wants one. Let's see if he wants one. Well, guys, I have to come put food out. Right? Because there's nothing in the dishes, and there's 2 dishes missing. If you're going to steal something that's over this way, here. Okay, I'm going to put food out, guys. And it's really strange. I'm standing here with the door wide open, and this guy's not paying any attention to me. And he's one of the newer guys, aren't you? Zoom out a little bit more. You're quite tiny. You got a bad fellow there jumping down the hole, stealing marshmallows and jumping down the hole. Yes, you. I'm talking about you. Okay, well, he's going to get agitated. I'm going to give you another treat, get you out of the way, while I go and put food out. I threw Petunia a marshmallow. She usually doesn't stick around. And she usually doesn't like marshmallows. Are you going to come up here, sweetie? Guess I better hurry up and put the seed out. I put the kibble out. Oh, I gotta change the water again. There's 2 raccoons out here. A few minutes ago, one in each dish. Oh, there's another poof. Alright, I'll finish up the dishes here. I wasn't quick enough, I guess, with the seed. Is that my feisty? It's not going to be a fight between these 2 guys. Hi, guys. Hi. Here. Oh, he didn't see it. Sorry, bud. Oh, Tune's going to have a second one. That's unusual. Right. I'm going to grab this, put the seed out before there's another fight here. Where did you go? Oh, there you are. Can I give you a treat? You can't really see what's going on there. Oh, did you see it? Oh, you are going to take it. Okay, good. What about you, Petunia? Do you want another one? It's so funny. She very rarely ever takes one. That's her third. Oh, that'll be it for tonight for her. I'm just going to go get some water. It's so funny just to see them just happy munching on the treats. I don't know who the 2 raccoons were. They were both pretty jittery, and they both seem kind of small. Well, they might be newbies. So, like even our babies from last summer are bigger than these guys, so I don't know where they came from. Unless they just lost a lot of weight. She is so cute. Alright, guys, I'll give you a break here. Alright, behave, be safe. Okay, I lied. Petunia found another marshmallow, so that'll be her 4th for tonight, so she definitely won't be getting any more. It just amazes me. She, like, normally you bump one off her nose and she just look at you like, what in the hell am I supposed to do with that? And maybe she only just figured out what they were. Hey, bud. Can you give you a treat? You have to look at me. I'm not throwing it down unless you're looking at me. Psst. Oh. Ready? Oh. You get it? Oh, you got it. Try not to fall on my head. Hi. Do you want another treat? Yeah. Can't throw very well left-handed. Try this. Oh. Oh, you got one. Okay, good. All right, now I'll leave you alone. Behave. Be safe. Oh, we found another one. I don't remember leaving any peanuts out there, but I guess I did. So it wasn't quick enough with the water. We'll have to wait till these little guys leave. I don't want to disturb them any longer. Zoom out a little bit there. So this guy just kind of came out of nowhere. He's still there. He's been there for a little bit now. This is surprised if Petunia doesn't come back. And Begonia and Feisty and the whole gang. We're going to have to change the name to the Skunk Diner. That little fella's so cute. He reminds me of Feisty, the way his head bobs back and forth when he's looking around. Oh, there's a raccoon there too. I didn't know he was there. I don't recognize a raccoon without his butt in the water. Alright guys, well I'm going to have to take a break and I'll check back whenever you're done. I'll give you your water. Alright? Guys, behave, be safe.